Hello friends, welcome to Giggling Minds Flavors. Our today's recipe is paneer prepared in Punjabi style. It's called Shahi Paneer. Ingredients: paneer 200 grams, oil 2.5 tablespoon, cinnamon sticks ½ inch, cardamom 8, cloves 5, pepper 6, onions 2 roughly chopped, ginger cut some into thin long pieces and rest into tiny pieces. Garlic cloves 6 to 8. Cashew nuts 10. Coriander powder 1/4 of a tablespoon. Tomatoes 4 roughly chopped. Green chilies slit. Turmeric powder. Kashmiri chili powder. Kashmiri red chili. Butter. Fresh cream. Kasuri methi. Coriander leaves for garnishing. Salt to taste. Shahi in Hindi means royal, as we are using ingredients like butter, cashews and fresh cream, etc. Without any further delay, here we go. Heat the oil in a pan, add chopped onions, stir fry till it starts changing color. Add garlic cloves, cut ginger and Kashmiri chilies. Stir fry for 5 minutes. Add cardamom, cinnamon, pepper, cashews. Stir fry for another 5 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes and salt. Keep in low flame until the tomatoes gets cooked well. Add Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Switch off the stove and allow it to cool down for 2 minutes so that it can be ground in a mixer. Make it into a paste. Now heat the butter in a pan. Add oil immediately. This is to prevent butter from burning. Once the butter melts completely, add slit green chilies, ginger cut into thin long pieces. Stir fry for a minute. Now add ground paste to the pan. Mix well. Add turmeric powder and mix well. Add little water to it and mix well. Add little salt too. Mix well Now add paneer pieces, mix well, cook for 2 minutes. Then add kasuri methi, mix well. Add fresh cream and stir well. Add little coriander leaves, mix well. Switch off the stove. Garnish with coriander leaves. Shahi paneer can be had with roti, rice and naan. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet.